Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I am back today with a quick little 31 Rue Cambon Chanel unboxing. But first up, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is none other than Laura Mercier. First up is, oh yes, a flawless finish makeup sponge. This innovative S-shaped sponge designed to hug the contours of the face. Oh, nice. So it's a little sort of nude moment there. So that's so nice, and it's a good dense kind of texture, and you can, that shape you can get right under the eyes. I just love getting stuff from them. Honestly, you guys know how I feel about Laura Mercier. This is their award-winning setting powder. If you don't have it, you need to get it. So they have sent me their Pure Canvas Primer in the illuminating. Oh, okay, so this must have a little bit of ding to it. Cute. Look at that, that's so pretty. Look at their packaging. It's very pearlescent and pink. It's so pretty. So this is an illuminating primer, which is really nice, especially if you're in summer up northern hemisphere. I heard it's super duper hot, but look at that, and it's really pretty. It's got a bit of a sheen to it underneath your foundation. That's what I like about Laura Mercier's primers. They're really lightweight and they're not sticky. Next up we have the Flawless Fusion, the ultra long wearing concealer. This is in the color 1.5W and I have it in 1W. So this is a little bit darker, as you can see. This is mine, I just pulled up. So you can see it's a little bit darker in the component. This one is, but that's nice. It's such a beautiful little doe foot, honestly. Let me show it to you. See it? It's really fine. You can sort of get in the crevices in your eye and really get that bright kind of under eye, which I personally love. Yes, this is their Radiance foundation in the 2W in the macadamia. I already have this foundation, so I'm thinking a giveaway is needed. It is fantastic. Honestly, that throw-on foundation that you don't have to worry about. It's just, again, really lightweight. It totally just goes on with not a lot of product. You can just get it all over the face. It's long wearing and it is definitely buildable. Okay, and lastly, down inside here we have the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer, and this is in the Supercharged Essence. I haven't seen this before. Ooh, pretty. Oh, nice. So it comes like in a dropper, like a serum dropper. So this one isn't illuminating like the first one I showed you. This is more like a moisturizer. It goes on quite thin, like silicone free, but it goes on like a moisturizer. You can sort of see it there, and I guess it would create a base. So it's less that kind of sort of silicone drying feeling, but it's like, yeah, it's like a moisturizer, but it still creates a primer. Again, not sticky. So again, thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. There is a few double up products that I have in there, so stay tuned for a Laura Mercier giveaway. You see that? We've got to get in there. It's not fake, people. I'm really honest that this is my go-to. Definitely, the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder is life. Okay, let's get into it. If you are going to ask what is on my lips, because thank you for my last video in studio was my Sephora haul, and a lot of people asked what was on my nude lip that day. I will link it below again, but it was Chanel Modern and the LA Girl Cafe pencil, which is kind of a dupe for Strip Down from MAC. But today on my lips I have my brand new YSL from that haul in the 23, and this is the matte liquid lip, I want to say, paired with Whirl from MAC lip pencil. I'll link to these below. But in here we're going to do a quick unboxing from my gorgeous front row Paris, Irene. She found these for me and they were so cute, I couldn't pass on them, and plus they were from 31 Rue Cambon. My lights are totally blowing this gorgeous packaging out because obviously it's white, but I'll get cutaways here as well to show you guys. But it's Rue Cambon, okay guys? So it's all white, you get the address. I'm just a complete sucker for it, honestly. I just would buy stuff if it was all from 31 Rue Cambon. So here we go, there is a little box. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful. Inside we have the care booklet and ta-da! Look at these, super, super classic. So I'm a little unsure of the exact collection these were in. I want to say 21A, that was Mercier dart. I'm not quite sure if it was that or the one before it, but I'll get close-ups of this for you in cutaways, but they are super classic. So you have your CCs with your Swarovski crystals with a small little pearl dangling below. I wanted to do some CCs, but I didn't want to do just regular plain CCs. And when I saw these come up from Irene, I was just like, yes, so cute with a little bit of ding. And today we wore no earrings just for this. So let's go ahead and pop them on. And also, word to the wise, okay? I usually don't like the plastic backings, the balanced backings, mainly because I have obviously multiple piercings and they don't really have room for all the backings. And I have before in the past taken off the plastic backings by just, you know, pushing them out as you do, and no bueno. Not a clever idea, because the balanced backings on, especially on Chanel earrings, I would probably take my Tiffany's out actually. The thing with balanced backings, especially on Chanel earrings, is that if they're heavier and they're sitting low, especially like the hoops or the CCs, the balanced backings make them sit up straight. Okay, I learned that the hard way. I took balanced backings off some of my other Chanel earrings, and then, listen, I think I might have even thrown them out. Not good. Just leave them on, and if you have multiple piercings like me, take your other piercings out. But this is them, so classic, and I really wanted a CC about this size. I have really small ears, so I didn't really want to go bigger, and I wanted to have a little ding moment in there as well, not just a plain CC. So this is them. What do we think? I hope you guys like them. So that is it for today's video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing from 31 Rue Cambon, beautiful front row Paris, my personal shopper Irene. So thank you again to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. I will leave all the links below to the items that I showed. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing really well. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.